Hey DanishTuber, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to join the weekly class and the weekly Q&A. Firstly, once you've logged into your account, you need to go to the page called Courses. Don't click on the arrow and go to Classes Essential Membership here. Click directly on the word Courses. That will take you to this page where you can see all the courses on the side. Then you need to find the weekly class. So if I scroll down here and click Load More, Essential Danish Group Class English Support. This is the one. So you can preview this course. And here it will say start course, or if you didn't already enroll, it will say enroll in course or get course, something along those lines. And you'll be able to select get course available as part of my membership. Once you have this course, it will also appear in your profile, on your profile page. So if I now go to the profile page, which is under membership account, otherwise, if you are here, you will find the lessons under curriculum. As you can see, they're labeled as to each month, as per month. So the last class was here, the 21st of the 3rd, 24, that was yesterday, on Kriminalitet. So basically, when it is time for the class, you can find the curriculum here. You can click on the date for the class. And when it opens up, you will have the option to join. So all you need to do is come here at the time of the meeting, 7 p.m. Danish time, every Thursday, and join meeting. Likewise, if you want to come on Mondays at 7 p.m., which is a Q&A session, you can come and ask any questions you have regarding Danish, or you can simply come and just have a little chat and practice using your Danish. If you don't specifically have a question, maybe one will come. Likewise, if you want to join that, you just need to find Q&A, the course entitled Q&A, start course or get course. And once you have enrolled, again, you will see it in your profile, and the same thing. Underneath curriculum is where you'll be able to join the weekly meeting. For example, this one from February 19th, join meeting at 7 p.m. As I mentioned, once you have enrolled and you've clicked get course, you can also get quick access by going directly to your profile page. So once you've logged in, you will come to this page, and underneath enrolled courses, you will find all the courses that you have enrolled in. For example, here is the Danish group class, and here is the Q&A session. So every Monday, come here around 7 p.m. and the link will be there for you. And every Thursday, come here at the group class and you will find the link and be able to join. Hope you found that useful. Please get in touch if you have any questions. Thanks and see you in class.